and dry. I won't have this urge to go all bottled up inside. One of these days I'll look back, I'll say I left in time. Somewhere for me I know there's peace of mind. Across this land, carrying the Lord's book in my hand, go across the country singing loud as I can, one of these days. But I won't have trouble on my back, cutting off the devil, chopping oil, got to shake him off of my back, one of these days. One of these days it will soon be all over, couldn't hide. I won't have this urge to go all bottled up inside. One of these days I'll look back, I'll say I left in time, somewhere for me I know there's peace of mind. Yeah, there's gonna be peace of mind for me one of these days.
Let it ring, boys. Hey, we're back at you here at Carmine's Country Corner. Another week of a little bit of country music, a little bit of fun, and getting together with the boys. And you know, I really look forward to the Sundays.
I do too.
Seeing you and Gary and Palmer and the lovely ladies always show up, and my daughter Kim and Brandon and anybody else that walks in. We have a good time.
Yes, sir.
And still working down at Knott's quite a bit, thank God. And having fun there, and business is looking pretty good. So yeah, things are okay. Susie and I are getting along just fine. How's Colleen and the kids
They're
and
all
you
fine.
and everybody?
Yeah, we're good. Colleen, the kids, they go to do soccer on Sunday morning, and that's why.
They do.
Yeah, that's why they don't see us.
Well, that's okay.
You don't see them, but they're having their.
How'd it go at Disneyland? Did they go?
Did they go? Yes, they went.
Was it last week you said they
Yes,
were
it
going?
was last week.
Sorry, my nose is running. Anyway, go ahead.
Because last week they had a great time.
Good, they had a good time. Yeah.
How can you not have a good
Yes,
time?
the happiest
At
place.
Disney?
Did you?
Happiest place on earth.
Yeah. What was
Yeah.
it like $4,000 for? Because you got a pretty big family.
Yeah, I think you have to put down a big down payment. Take out a nice loan.
Yeah. So, but it's fun. Anyway.
Not like when I was a kid.
No, me too. Yeah, things have changed. Anyway, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, downtown Lacrosse Center, California. And we're having a ball, and people have been watching the show, Paul.
I love that.
So we keep doing it, and push that subscribe button if you're watching it on YouTube, and the share button, the like and share button if you're on Facebook. I'm gonna have to get it next. Could somebody give me a napkin? Anyway, so it's a little chilly in here today. Not awful, but a little cold. You know, it's that time of year. Thank you.
Did you mean Facebook?
Well, I said YouTube. What else did I say?
Facebook.
It's a big book.
I didn't say Facebook.
It's a big book.
No, I didn't.
I
I
thought
said,
maybe there's another
no, Facebook.
platform we're not on.
No, I think I said Facebook.
I think Gary is thinking of fake book.
Big book.
All right, well, let's do
remember
another
that.
song. Gary, you want to do one? Hit us with something. You don't want to get
dedicate this to you.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Oh, well, good. Here we go. Ta-da.
In G, GB.
He's playing this Irish drum.
Well, I don't know yet. It may not work.
Well, it's gonna work if anything you
Yeah,
play.
we'll try it.
I love it.
I'll try to sing it.
You know-
St. Patrick's Day
You know, we
tomorrow.
opened the show with the cake, showing the cake, and folks, if you didn't notice, it said Kim on the cake, 'cause my daughter, who does a lot of the engineering and computer stuff for us, and she doesn't mind me telling everybody she's gonna be 59 years old tomorrow, which is, she was born on St. Patrick's Day.
Was she? Oh,
Yeah.
that makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Now, she wasn't 59 when I met her.
No, she wasn't 59 when I met her either. And but she's a lovely lady, and she's got that great son Brandon that I know keeps her busy, and she does a good job working on the show. So we got her a cake, and then tomorrow I'll go to dinner with her tomorrow night or something. We'll figure something out.
Good.
Okay, let's do the song.
I think he meant to say 49, Kim. Right?
Yeah.
He gets a little confused sometimes.
One, two, one.
Everybody going out, having fun. I'm just a fool for staying home, having none. Can't get over 1973. Oh, to me. He's a trick, I know I may hanging around.
So I'm playing this black and white guitar today because this is the one I keep by the couch. You know, we all have a guitar by the couch, you know, that you're watching TV and you pick it up and just you don't even realize if you got it in your hand, you're just kind of playing with it. And I said to myself, you know, I haven't plugged this thing in. I bought it a long time ago, so I'm gonna bring it to the show and play it a little bit. It doesn't sound too bad.
I love it. I think it sounds great.
If I can get the volume right. Anyway, Bob Schmidt Toyota, Carmine's coming to the corner. You know, we're doing this live at about 11 in the mornings now on Sunday because of my schedule over there at Knott's. But however, Kim, you're still posting it or doing something to it at 6, right? Yeah. So when people go there at 6, it'll be there. Yeah, okay. I mean, it's up all day, but still, people might, you know.
Go back to bed.
They don't know. They get a routine going, and that's what they do, you know. But so we're doing good. Paul, what do you got?
Let's do Dark Hollow.
Now, what key are we on?
Let's try A.
Hey!
I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine, and to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine, and to be here alone, knowing that you're gone, cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine, and see another man's darling, and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train. Take me farther down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Hey, have you talked to Carrie Caruso lately?
Yeah,
Because I was thinking, if she were singing harmony, that would just sound so good.
that would sound good. It's funny because I called Jimmy and Kerry a couple of days ago and asked them to be the guest artists next week.
Great.
And so they might be here.
Okay.
And they're gonna call me back and let me know. And Kerry, if you're watching the show, and Jimmy, would love to have you next week, man. Come on up. Sing some songs.
Yep, yep.
All right, Swan, it's your turn. I'm gonna do one after you. I'm so tired. I can't believe what I'm doing.
I want to play some piano.
of shaking. Great job, Gary. Thank you. Here we are at Bob Smith Toyota doing our fun country show, Sunday country show. And Kim, tomorrow we'll do something for your birthday. I'll take you to dinner or something. Gotta wait till I get back from us. Want to do one? I'm really out of my sync today. One, two, three. Oh, blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory since you've been gone. No matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me, and I never felt so down and out. Never felt so without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, blue and broken-hearted me, holding to a memory since you've been gone. No matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. And since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Oh, blue, broken-hearted me. I'm holding to a memory since you've been gone. No matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, oh, no matter what I try to be, you know it's blue and broken-hearted. Thank you, folks. Blue and broken-hearted me. You know, my brother-in-law, I'm proud to say, my brother-in-law, Gib Gilbo, through marriage, I married Susie, and it was her brother-in-law, so it became my brother-in-law. Gib was a great guy. And I saw him do that song, and I'll tell you when it was. Check it out on YouTube. 1983, on Hee Haw, the Burrito Brothers. It was John Beelan and Gib with the Hee Haw band behind him, you know. And he sang that song, and it just floored me. He sang it so good. So I said, I'm going to try it. I'm not doing anything like he does. I mean, don't, you know, when you watch him, you'll see something. Anyway, Paul, what do we got?
Let's do,
Oh, and his sister Ann, his wife Ann, came down for a few days to visit with Susie, because, you know, they're sisters.
yeah.
And guess who got to sleep on the couch? So, okay, but I love Ann. Well, we're having a great time. She's a wonderful lady. She's a good girl. All right, what do we got?
Take the ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall. Let it soft against your skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong. I won't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Tonight I need a friend. Yesterday's dead and gone, and tomorrow's outside. It's so
years old, I was playing in bars
Yeah.
with guys like our age. And we used to do that, it used to be one of the songs.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a great
that was
song.
one of the songs.
Sammy Smith.
I can't believe how long I've been.
But what she said on the record, do you ever listen to the record close? She says,
Yeah.
shake it loose and let it fall.
Yeah,
You pay attention to how she pronounces the word loose.
yeah,
She says loose. She does. Listen to the record. It's
absolutely.
beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
And they left it. And it was like, cool.
Shake it loose and let it
Shake
fall.
it loose and let it fall.
I don't know if
Did
it's
that
that
on purpose or what?
just the way she said
Chris
it.
Christopherson, what a great songwriter he was.
Yeah.
It must have been his first hit.
So you got one?
I forgot.
Okay, I'll do one.
That's what happens when you forget.
See what you did?
Can you see? Walk up to the floor.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. And I'm going on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. White freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. That old dog will bite, and people there will treat you fine. That old dog bite, people there will treat you fine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. I'm going back to Texas. Gotta go back to where I came. Going back to Texas. Going back to where I came. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my brain. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. take some getting used to. Thank
That
you.
was good. I love that
That
song.
was fun. Yeah, it's, but you can play on it a little bit. Bob Smith Toyota, Lockwood Center, downtown Lockwood Center. We're doing the Carmine's Country Corner Show. We're having a lot of fun. Thank you, all you people, for watching, joining the fun, and all the kind words. They're always writing nice things, and we appreciate that. You know, we're just a bunch of, I don't want to call us old guys, but, you know, we're up there, and we're just having fun. And we got to get Tony back up here. My brother Tony, he does all those old 50s rock and roll
Yes, he
songs.
does.
He knows a million of them. All right, Paul. Who's got his pick out?
Let's do Swing Low, Sweet Chariot.
Jam E. Playing tambourine on this, I don't care.
Swing low, sweet chariot, come for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot,
Nobody.
We gotta get him to sing one week. This guy sings good.
He's been singing back here. I've been telling him to shut up, but he just.
You know, I gotta
keeps
tell you,
singing.
Palmer,
Yeah, baby.
you're a good singer. You should sing once in a while. So I asked him the other day. I said, Johnny, why don't you sing? You know what he told me? He said, not for this kind of money. Do you believe that?
Wait a minute.
Give me a roll.
Sorry about that. That was a joke, wasn't it?
Yeah, not for this kind of
Sorry,
money.
but this kind of money.
I don't do too much singing. I don't do too much singing at knots because these other guys sing pretty good. So I just want to play my guitar, And every once in a while, say, Carmine, you do one. I get in the mic and I say, not for this kind of money. Everybody laughs. And then after they hear me sing, they go, yeah, don't do it.
That's great.
But we're having a lot of fun down there. All the little kids dance in front of the stage. It's so cute. I love it. Who just did one? You did. Yeah, I'll do one more. Here we go. We got about another 10 minutes. We'll be out of here. What time we start, Kim? About 10 after?
No. 1 minute after.
Oh, it was that close?
I'm watching that clock like I'm working.
Yeah, you want to get out of here, don't you?
I'm
Well, you
watching-
can leave now if you want. We could do a trio. I've done a lot of that.
Have
So you don't worry about it.
Have you guys heard yourself do a trio?
Yeah, I've heard a lot. I've probably worked a lot more than you have doing
You
trios.
don't want to do that, trust me.
Absolutely. All right, so let's do this. This whole smoke-filled bar is something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here to closing time. I've got everything I'll need to drive me crazy. I've got everything I'll need to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here's just right for heartache. Thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here to closing time. This old guitar standing tuned pretty good. I haven't had to do anything to it yet. So hey, we got one more quick song. Paul, take us out because I didn't realize we started that close to 11. I thought we'd started about 11:15. So we'll do one more and we'll call it a night and we'll see you next week. Don't be late. I think next week we might have Carrie Caruso from the Black Rose Band with her husband Jimmy Eaton on steel, and me and you and
I'll be here.
everybody. Okay.
Let's do The End Is Not in Sight. No fives.
Oh, gotta remember that. Thank you.
Coming in on the 4. If I knew it all along, have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Like sweet magnolia wine, honey dripping from her mouth, and that sweet little gal of mine, she's the finest in the South. Now the days are getting longer, the nights are getting colder, and I wanna go back home. Lay my head upon her shoulder. Yes, I knew it all along. I have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Yeah, my soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Yeah, my soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight.
Next week, folks. Well, I played the whole set with this beast. See you next
Good night,
week.
everybody.